Sorting, grouping, and searching in SoundCheck's memory list lets you organize and find data quickly, which is especially useful when dealing with lots of results. Memory list items can be sorted in various ways, such as alphabetically or in the order in which the sequence steps are run. In the memory list window, select Data, Sorting and Grouping. You can either sort by order, which arranges all items in the current tab based on the sequence order, or sort by name, which arranges all items in alphabetical order. You can also auto-group your data. By default, auto-grouping is off, but you can enable it by category, which creates groups based on the data type, or step, which creates groups based on the name of the sequence step that creates the items. For example, in this sequence here, we have a step called Analysis, THD, and Robin Buzz. So all the data created by this specific step is grouped here in the memory list. You can also search and group items in the memory list using keywords, which is valuable when dealing with large amounts of data. To search, go to the memory list window and select Data, Search, or press Ctrl F to open the search window. For example, here, I'll search all the harmonic curves. You can also include metadata in your search to narrow down results further. You can also create custom groups, which are a great organization tool. Let's make a group with this selection. I'll select the items I want to group, right-click, and select New Group. You can also create a custom group from the Data drop-down menu and drag and drop or click to assign data to it. Custom groups always appear at the top of the memory list, and the title of custom groups appears in blue. You can create additional subgroups within custom groups. Sorting, grouping, and searching helps you locate, organize, and manage your data efficiently, making your workflow more streamlined and effective.